everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So as you all know, it's my day 1 in Italy, Venice. It's not practically day 1, but it's kind of, second day, but we are starting the trip right now, like exploring and stuff. So I'm just gonna show you. I'm heading out now and I got ready. This is my dress which I'll be wearing. Titi. And I'm gonna do my quick makeup, like it's going to be very basic. It's very sunny and I'll show you see, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'll take you through my day today in Venice. So we are gonna go through the waterboat, or let's see, I don't know, maybe an electric bus. There are electric buses here, there are electric cycles, there are scooters, cars and everything. I am finally ready, so this is how I look. Oops, I couldn't do much, but yeah. So I'm gonna explore the beach today. I'm just going, I'll show you. That's the beach. So good here, guys. I'm at loss of words. The place is so surreal. See?
Yes. One, you want it? Two.
Your name?
No, hermano. What's the name?
Yes.
My name is hermano.
Oh, hermano.
Hermano.
Nice.
My name is Regina. My name is Alicia. My name is Nadir.
Regina, beautiful. What is he saying, Jacob?
I don't know.
2 years. 2 years old. He said nice to meet you.
I don't know.
Bye. Now we going by waterboat. Let's see how it is. Writing a postcard to India, to my mother. The postcards which I'm gonna send to India. Let's see if they reach it. Welcome to Venice. I think these are the street shopping, stalls and something like that. So hi guys, I am in Piazza San Marco. I don't know if I can pronounce it right, but it's a very beautiful place and twice in a year this place goes underwater. Literally मतलब यहाँ तक पानी आ जाता है. And the boats, like there are gondola or something. These boats are very wide and very narrow, and so there's ये सारे places like इस सब जगह पे पानी हो जाता है. So you know you can actually sail in this place. So it's a very beautiful church, and this is quite huge. So yeah, I am enjoying. I'm just enjoying. I want to record, and you know I want to I आँखें भी सेकनी है मुझे इस beauty के साथ. So it's a very beautiful place. I am so blessed, and thank you to God that I got a chance to visit such beautiful place. I got this beautiful bracelet from Murano. It's one of the company which makes glass items. So everything you see here is made from glass. So there's this bracelet. So gorgeous.
Ragazzi, yes, thank you, sir.
In Venice, we drink very Aperol spritz.
Honey, do you remember Notting Hill? Notting Hill, yes.
Salute yourself.
guys, my bag finally arrived, which was in check-in. ये वाला bag था, and finally it's here. I mean, after a lot of struggle. So here it is, my luggage, which finally arrived. I mean, कल I think 2:30 we landed, 2:30 दोपहर में, and now it arrived and it's 5:26 right now. So yeah, after lots of struggle, it is here. Beach ready. Bye. Beach today.
Że w prawo czy w lewo?
I'm in water. There is our hotel, and it's amazing. So this is my introduction, and I am so freaking happy. I am at the beach. I cannot, it's crazy. So keep watching my vlog, guys, and just enjoy. And I'm so happy. Hi guys, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and keep loving me.